How to send money from Skrill to Skrill. Hey guys, in this video you would learn how you can send money from Skrill to Skrill. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end so that you would not miss any important information. So what do you do first? The first step is to open up or to launch the Skrill application. Once you've launched the application, you'll be brought to the home page where you can see your wallet's balance, and then below it you'll see three icons, namely the add option, transfer, and then exchange. And then by the time you scroll down, you'll see other options as well. Now, next step is to go ahead and click on the transfer option. Now, once you click on it, you'll be brought to the transfers page. On this page, you can see options like send to yourself, Skrill to Skrill, international money transfer, then request money. Then the next option you would pick is Skrill to Skrill because you're trying to send money from a Skrill account to another Skrill account. So once you click on Skrill to Skrill, you'll be taken to another page where you have to enter the email address of the Skrill account or the phone number of the Skrill account that you want to send money to. So after typing this out, click on continue, which is located at the lower part of the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be brought to another page where you'll be asked to enter the amount, the currency first of all. Alright, so you can change the currency here by selecting any of this, and then you can now go ahead and type out the amount that you want to send. And then once you're done typing out the amount, you will see the fee at the lower part of the screen, which is 813 naira. And then you can now click on add card, and then you wait patiently for it. So once you click on add card, you'll be taken to the page where you have to add your card details. Ensure you do that. Click on continue, and from there follow the on-screen instructions, and the money will be sent to the Skrill account. So that's how it works. That is how you can send money from a Skrill account to another Skrill account. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.